Hello, welcome to you, my children, and I am ready to teach you next basic unit, that is 25. And I think that you are taking good interest, and I will suggest you that you should take a good interest in mathematics, because if your mathematics is good, I assure you that you will be perfect in each and every subject, and you will take a good interest in each every subject. You will not feel any types of problem in another science subjects. So be ready. Now this is the next topic. In this question, also you have to find the value of x. Here question you see 20 minus x minus 12.5% of 20 minus x is equal 12. First of all, you have to pay attention at percent, and you should write it by bracket 25 by 2, and you see here percent, so you have to divide it from 100, so you can write in below multi 100. You can cancel it, and you see that we cancel here by 25, and we find 1 in above and 4 in below. And in the next line you see that this is the in above we find 1, and in below we find 4 to the 8, so we write it only, and all thing is written as the previous line. Now go to the next line. You see here 20 minus x is written, and 1 by 8 is out of this bracket. So if we multiply, because you know that we do the function of as multiply, so multiply, if we under bracket we have to multiply in both 20 and x. So we write here 20 minus 20 into 1 by 8 and x into 1 by 8. We can also cancel it, and you say that we cancel it by 4. 4 5 ja 20 and 4 2 ja 8. We write here 5 and 2. You go and multiply it in next page. You can see here that we multiply here 5 by in above 5 into 1, so we write here 5 by 2, and in this we see that x and 1, so we write here x by 8. No problem. Now in this step we have to cancel the bracket, and for it is compulsory for you that you should pay attention. If plus sign out of the bracket, there is no change of sign of inner terms, so we have out of the bracket plus, so without changing of sign we write here 20 minus x, and we here CV that out of bracket minus, so we have to change the sign of both. So 5 by 2 change into minus 5 by 2, and x by 8 minus x by 8 change into plus x by 8. Now go ahead, and I think that this become simple. Now you will have to keep x before equal and without x after equal. In this process, you know that we have to change the sign, which term the place is changed. So go ahead for the next line. You can see that here before equal we keep minus x and plus x by 8 without changing of sign, and here see that minus 20, because 20 is before equal, so we change its sign 20 minus 20, and minus 5 by 2 in the previous line, so we change its sign, and it become plus 5 by 2 and 12 without changing of sign. So we see that as a simple fraction we do the work in this, because we see that the similar term xx, and here is also simple fraction, add subtraction rules work. Now we find minus 7x by 8 and minus 40 and plus 29. So we see here minus 7x by 8 and minus 11 by 2, because here minus is greater. We cancel minus, and now we see that single bracket both sides, so we can do the function of cross multi. You can see here, and by the cross multi we find 7x into 2 is equal 8 into 11. Now 7 and 2 will go to the another side, and you see that 7 and 2 in multi form, so in divide form. So after by we in below we write 7 into 2, we can cancel it by 2, and we find 44 by 7. As a result, as an answer we find 6 whole 2 by 7. I think that this is very compulsory, very important question, especially for class 7 and 8, and you can do the similar question now. Now you can see the similar question, some similar question here. I will request you that you should do all the questions, because this question if you do, you will be perfect these types of questions, and when you do these questions, when you do these types of questions in your book, you will find very easy. So again I will see you that you should be continue with me in basic math unit series, and I assure you that you will be perfect gradually, and you should take interest. And I think that if you are like this video, you should like it and share it. If you are not subscribed, you should also subscribe it. Thank you very much. Thanks.